Amazon Rainforest, the lungs of Earth and its hidden treasures. The Amazon rainforest spans over 1 billion acres, covering parts of Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. If it were a country, it would be the 9th largest in the world. Known as the lungs of our planet, the Amazon plays a vital role in recycling carbon dioxide into oxygen, producing over 20% of the world's oxygen supply. It is home to more than half of the world's 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects, and the Amazon basin contains 1/5 of the world's freshwater resources. In just 1 hectare of the rainforest, you might find over 750 tree species and 1,500 species of higher plants. Astonishingly, 80% of the developed world's diet traces its origins back to tropical rainforests. Staples like rice, potatoes, and corn, fruits like avocados and mangoes, spices such as cinnamon and vanilla, and even coffee and chocolate owe their beginnings to this rich ecosystem. The Amazon isn't just a source of food, it's a treasure trove of medicinal plants. Many plants here produce alkaloids, which protect them from diseases and insects, but have also provided us with life-saving medicines. Over 2,000 fruits used by the indigenous people of the rainforest are virtually unknown to the rest of the world. The Amazon rainforest is truly a wonder of nature, holding secrets yet to be discovered and reminding us of the importance of preserving this vital ecosystem. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.